Thinking about buying a property in Canada, whether it's your first home or your next investment, the process can feel overwhelming. Prices, mortgages, down payments, interest rates, it's a lot. But today, I'm going to walk you through the very first step that most people skip, and skipping it can cost you time, energy, and even money. Once you do this step properly, everything from choosing listings to getting mortgage approval becomes simpler and more predictable. So let's get started. Before you even look at listings or think about neighborhoods, you need clarity, real clarity. A lot of people start their home buying journey by browsing realtor.ca or walking into open houses. And I get it, it's fun, but without understanding your financial reality first, every house you see is just guesswork. Doing this step gives you a realistic price limit, a clear understanding of your buying power, the confidence to make quick decisions, and a huge advantage when negotiating. It's like turning on a flashlight before walking into a dark room. Suddenly, everything becomes visible, and the path forward makes sense. So, the first question is, what type of property are you actually looking for? This isn't just about preference, it's a major financial factor. Each property type comes with different costs and responsibilities. Let's break it down. Condos. Lower purchase prices in many cities, but monthly condo fees apply. Great for people who want less maintenance. Townhouses. More space, sometimes lower maintenance with condo corporations, sometimes freehold with no monthly fees. Semi-detached homes. These share one wall with a neighbor. They're usually more affordable than fully detached houses, but offer more privacy and space than townhomes or condos. Maintenance costs can be moderate, not as high as detached, not as low as condos. Detached homes. Highest purchase price, but full control over your property. Also, full responsibility for repairs and maintenance. New builds. Attractive warranties and modern design, but extra closing costs like development levies. Older properties. Often larger, often cheaper upfront, but may require renovation and higher maintenance budgets. Knowing your category helps you estimate not just the purchase price, but also long-term expenses like condo fees, insurance, heating, property taxes, and repairs. Write down the property type you want, and be honest with yourself about what fits your lifestyle and budget. Now let's talk about your down payment, because this number shapes everything. Your mortgage amount, your monthly payments, and even the kind of property you can realistically buy. But here's something many newcomers and even long-term residents don't know. Your down payment can come from multiple sources. Let's break them down. Personal savings. This is the money you've set aside over time. The most straightforward source. TFSA, tax-free savings account. If you have money invested in a TFSA, including GICs or other investment products, you can withdraw it tax-free and use it toward your down payment. FHSA, First Home Savings Account. If you're a first-time homebuyer, this is one of the best tools available in Canada today. Introduced recently, the FHSA lets you contribute up to $8,000 per year, get a tax deduction, just like an RRSP, grow your money tax-free, and withdraw it completely tax-free when you buy your first home. It's like combining the benefits of an RRSP and a TFSA, and it can boost your down payment significantly if you start early. RRSP through the Home Buyers Plan, HBP. You can borrow up to $60,000 from your RRSP, tax-free, as long as you repay it over 15 years. Couples can combine their withdrawals, which helps tremendously. Gifts from family. Many buyers receive help from parents or relatives. Lenders will simply ask for a gift letter confirming it's a true gift, not a loan. Non-cash assets, gold, jewelry, investments, etc. If you sell personal assets, you can use that money as part of your down payment. Just be prepared to show proof of sale. Lenders want a clear paper trail. Buying with a partner or friend. Pooling resources can increase your price range or reduce your personal financial burden. The minimum down payment required in Canada is 5% on the first $500,000, 10% on the portion between $500,000 and $999,999, 20% for any home over $1 million. And remember, if your down payment is under 20%, mortgage insurance becomes mandatory, which increases your monthly cost. So take a moment, list every source of funds you can realistically count on. Don't assume money will magically appear later. Be honest and precise. Now we combine everything to determine your realistic price limit. This is what I call your threshold limit, the upper boundary of what you can search for without stress. To find it, you need two numbers. 1. Your available down payment. 2. Your maximum mortgage approval amount. When you know these, you can calculate your total buying power. For example, if your down payment is $60,000 and a bank pre-approves you for a $640,000 mortgage, then your maximum budget is $700,000. This number dictates which neighborhoods you can explore, which property types you can consider, and which listings you should completely ignore. Searching for homes without this number is like shopping without knowing how much money is in your bank account. It's confusing, unrealistic, and exhausting. Next, you need to understand whether your mortgage will actually be approved, because in Canada, approval is not just about your income level. Lenders look at your credit score, your employment type, full-time, part-time, contract, self-employed, length of employment, monthly debts such as car loans, credit cards, student loans, the mortgage stress test, and your down payment source. The stress test is especially important. Even if your mortgage rate is 5.5%, you must prove you can afford payments at about 2% higher. This protects the lender, but also protects you from buying a home beyond your comfort zone. Before you shop for a home, get a pre-approval. It's free. It's usually valid for 60 to 120 days, and it gives you the confidence to make offers knowing the bank is already on your side. Finally, you need to know how much you're truly comfortable paying every month. Not the maximum the bank allows, but your real comfort zone. Your monthly housing cost will include mortgage payment, property tax, home insurance, condo fees, if applicable, utilities, maintenance and repairs, and unexpected costs. A lot of people get pre-approved for a massive amount and think, great, I can buy something expensive. But ask yourself this. Will your life still feel financially comfortable after the mortgage payment comes out every month? Be realistic and protect your peace of mind. So before you start searching for properties, do this one essential step. Collect the facts about your financial situation. Know your property type, your down payment sources, your mortgage eligibility, and your monthly comfort zone. With these answers, your home buying journey becomes faster, easier, and far more successful. You'll avoid unsuitable listings, make confident decisions, and find a home that truly fits your life. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and share it with someone who's thinking about buying a home. And make sure you stay tuned, because in the next video, we're breaking down the types of lenders and mortgage brokers in Canada. Trust me, understanding this early will save you time, stress, and possibly thousands of dollars. See you in the next one.